Hey everyone, I'm Daniel with Gree.
And I'm James from Gree.
Today we're going to talk about the electronic expansion valve. Now let's clear something up, James. Is this the liquid valve?
It is not the liquid valve. The electronic expansion valve or metering device is located in the outdoor unit. It is absolutely normal to see the liquid line, so to speak, be cold during normal operation and cooling.
Now, how do we test the electronic expansion valve to see if it's working properly?
Well, there are two ways that an electronic expansion valve could fail: electronically and mechanically. To test for an electronic failure, first disconnect power. Then we're going to disconnect the electronic expansion valve from the board, and we're going to ohm that out in accordance with the diagram in the service manual. Once we've eliminated an electronic issue, we pretty much will know it's a mechanical issue. What we would do then is remove the electronic expansion valve solenoid. That usually only takes a twist or so, and then you can pull it right off. This reveals the stator, which is the portion that doesn't move, and then we can use the electronic expansion valve magnet and place that on there. Then we can reconnect power and get a call for cooling. And then we place our temperature probes on the inlet and outlet of the electronic expansion valve, and we wait for operation of the unit. As soon as the unit starts operating, we can feel the compressor operating at that point. We can take this and either tighten, like righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, right? We can tighten or loosen the electronic expansion valve, and we should see a temperature change, like a delta between our inlet and outlet. If we don't see a change, it could be severely stuck. A common reason why it can be stuck like that is carbon or copper oxide buildup in a system from brazing without nitrogen. And to try to clean that out is pretty difficult, wouldn't you say?
Definitely.
So it's important to always flow dry nitrogen while brazing.
So unfortunately, if it is the electronic expansion valve internally failed or stuck, you'd have to replace the valve body. If it's an electronic failure, you only have to replace the solenoid.
Thanks for watching. At Gree, we're by your side.